Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am C. Ashwini Sonone and today we are going to talk on an important topic for students whose exams countdown has begun. So let's get started. All of you will agree with me on this. As the exams come nearer, our drowsiness and sleepiness increases, due to which we are unable to focus and concentrate on our studies how much ever we want to study, but due to the drowsiness we are unable to complete whatever we are targeting. So let's hear some effective tips to overcome drowsiness and sleepy days when exams are near. Today we are going to talk on 10 effective tips, but you may apply few of them or all of them as per your convenience. So let's get started. The first tip is keep your room well lighted. The biggest mistake most of the students make is studying with just a table lamp lit in the whole room, due to which a significant portion of the room remains dark. This poses a cozy environment, which eventually will make you more tempted to go into the charming bed because of the dim surrounding. So, avoid such comfortable situation. Keep your room bright and well lighted. The second tip which we are looking forward is avoid heavy meals before studying. This doesn't mean that you don't have to eat. You can eat in smaller proportions or take some lighter meals if you are going to study post your meals. The third tip is sit in a chair and not on bed. Also, for theory subjects, you can walk and read along. The fourth and an important tip is learn by writing it down. You don't have to write the whole paragraphs, you can write some words. Usually when you write it down, it is easier to recall in exams. Also, while you are busy in writing, the drowsiness and sleepiness goes away. The fifth tip says, read out loud while studying theory subject. This is an easy to apply tip and it won't consume any more time than your normal study duration. So, do try and implement this tip to avoid drowsiness and sleepiness while studying. The sixth tip is drink lots of water. Here, water is being recommended not only to keep you hydrated but also to keep you alert. Actually, it is the best trick which is applied by most of the students while studying. When you drink a considerable quantity of water, you will have to make frequent trips to the bathroom for peeing, keeping you moving and alert. Moreover, drinking an adequate quantity of water helps to keep your brain well hydrated, increasing its memory and retention power. So do apply this tip. The seventh tip says follow early to bed, early to rise formula. This can't be applied by students who study at night, but it can be applied by those who are studying at morning or during the daytimes. I know you will say this is difficult tip to apply and we don't have so much time to sleep. So you will try to reduce your sleep hours and in turn affect your concentration level. So kindly do sleep on time, have adequate sleeping hours and you will be able to study with full concentration in the remaining part of the day. Here comes one more important tip. The 8th tip says avoid studying difficult topics at night. During the night, you feel more drowsy. If you are solving complex problem or trying to learn difficult topics, try to tackle only the light, easy portions of the syllabus during the night time. Leave the tough portions for daytime when your body, brain are fresh and active. For late night study, pick only those topics which are easy, interesting and also your favorite ones. The 9th tip says, take a nap in the afternoon. Post your lunch, you can take a 30 to 45 minutes nap in the afternoon. If you have been continuously studying since the morning, then an afternoon nap is a must to save your brain from getting exhausted. It would also help you to avoid sleep during studying at late night. A short nap is enough to keep you alert, keeping the drowsiness away and concentrating on your studies. Last tip is keep yourself alert and awake. If you are studying for long durations in the same stagnant pose, then you are likely to get surrounded by laziness and drowsiness. So, the moment you start feeling sleepy, get up from your chair and try to move around in your room. Stretch your legs and arms. You may also listen to some songs and refresh yourself and get back to studies. These were 10 effective tips which you may apply while you're studying for your exams, and avoid the drowsiness which you feel when the exams come nearer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. All the very best to all the students.